Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix the Google account verification required error. Start by restarting your phone or computer. A quick reboot often refreshes your Google services and removes temporary login issues. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and data, or toggle airplane mode on and off. Connectivity issues can trigger this verification error. Open another device where you're signed in. Google may send a verification prompt asking if it's really you. Tap, "Yes, it's me." If you don't see it, try again or tap. Try another way during login. On the verification screen, choose Try Another Way. Google may offer backup email, recovery phone, security questions, 8-digit backup codes. Use whichever option you still have access to. If Google won't let you verify your account, start recovery, go to g.co/recover. Answer as many questions as possible, and use a device or location you've used before. This increases your chances of success. And that's it. These steps should fix the Google account verification required error on any device.